So, sweetie, what will you make if all these ingredients is being provided to you at home? So let me know at the comments, okay? So we have broccoli, bell peppers, we have carrots, we have ginger and garlic, we have green bean, we have coconuts. I'm going to extract this coconut for the milk. We have fresh tomato, we have chopped onion, we have we have scotch bonnets. Okay, for hotness we have olive oil, which is this. We have salt and seasoning cube. We have sweet corn. Then we have salmon fish. So these are everything we'll be using to make this meal. Okay, so let's dive in making this delicious and amazing meal. So all I did is to cut the fish this way. So we're gonna chop them into a smaller chunk. Okay. So the tomato we're gonna put them this way. To scoop this back. Now it's easy to remove the skin. You can remove the skin if you want. Okay. So scoop this out and onions and stir. Okay. We stir it. I like to caramelize. So sweetie, I'll put ginger. I add my garlic and I'll stir. At this juncture, I'll be adding the fish that I cut in cube. I will add some salt. Add one more cube so that it's seasoned. Okay, so that it will be thirsty. And you just stir more. And wait for like 2 minutes, then I add my broccoli and the rest of them. Okay. So here now, I'll stir the fish. Okay. So what? The tomato puree, I smashed it. So these are coconut milk I extracted. So I'll be adding some chili, okay, for a little bit hotness. But if you don't want, you can also skip that part. It's boiled with that fish. Remember, the fish is not properly cooked, so I just thought that. Okay. So sweetie, check it. I'll be adding some oregano. And I'll stir. Oh my god, the smell is so. And the fish, thirsty. So this, if there is any adjustments, I'll make. It's okay. The adjustments will just allow it to boil for like 5 more minutes. Then I'll add the necessary ingredients, okay? So add some little masala. There. Okay. Broccoli. I'll add the broccolis. Carrots. Okay. And keep it green bean. 6 points. will stir. I don't want to put the veggie now, so stir this, stir thoroughly. So sweetie, after stirring, I'll put a little salt because of these items I put now. Sprinkle a little salt. I don't want to stir it, okay? So sweetie, let's check back, okay? At this junction, we don't want our vegetables to be overcooked. So sweetie, I'll be adding these peppers, the bell peppers. As the last I'm adding, then we stir carefully. Because the fish, these are the fish, just allow it cook. It's so flavorful. So let's cover it. So let's check our food. Oh my god, it's ready. Our broccoli sauce is ready. Okay, so we'll turn down the heat. Okay, dish our sauce. So today is our vegetable sauce. Why so nice and thirsty? So okay. So sweetie, these are food. And this is the rice.
So sweetie, let me know if you'll be giving this a try. Love you. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.